fuck is that, you dozy bitch? Fuck me, stupid people. She didn't even complete the turn either. As I was driving away, she's reversing. So she basically did a 3-point turn to come out of there. Completely unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. Fucking prick. Oh my god, you are really a cunt, aren't you? Wanker. Oh, that does not look safe at all. You fucking idiot. Dickhead. Right, we've got a green light. How the fuck is that bus going? Someone tell me. How? How? Retard. So he can't go anywhere and all he's done is block the fucking thing. Dickheads. I thought his number was up then. Fuck. Cyclist is just going to sit in the way. Idiot. Give way, dickhead. Swat, you definitely went for a red light. How is that a fucking place to park? Whoa, shit, that was close. That light was red for quite a while. Obviously, bus drivers make up their own rules sometimes, it seems. The car in front was even flashing them, either to warn them that, okay, you on your illegal electric scooter is just going to go straight through the red light as well. Good. Yeah, so the car in front was even flashing the bus, either to say, you know, there's a red light there, or because the bus near enough pulled out in front of them, it looked like. Ridiculous. doing? What the fuck is that? How is that a turn you can make? Is that parked? Someone parked there. Yes, they have. That is fucking awful. Oh, this bit is going to be fun to drive through. Because the next bit, once I come out and make the left, is normally just full of pedestrians. I don't know why I said full, really strangely there, but come on, mate, you just keep wandering. Good for you. Get the fucking way now, please. We must go very, very carefully, avoid the people and all of the children, obviously. This one in front, I don't think she realises I'm here. I can see she's got headphones in. So, yeah, there we go. Bye. Big vehicle behind you. Let's go round, and we're clear. Thank fuck for that.